Sustainability is a strong point. For thermal processes, you need a lot of energy input, and the laser is the most efficient way to create the thermal energy into the ink, which is a very important step in the process chain for the printed electronics world.
I believe printed electronics is based in sustainability. We need to be here also to know the different materials and the different advances, and always be present in the circularity of the materials.
These smart windows can be used to prevent sunlight to heat up buildings, to save energy. We also show an additional example of a solar cell. It's possible to make the solar cells transparent and to use them as a window. And then the window can basically generate the electricity.
There's a big focus on circular economy nowadays, and for example, being able to correctly recycle, it's really important. So, we could add a little bit of intelligence that is low cost and disposable that will help circular economy.
The manufacturing process we have, it's using very little material. We work with organic solar cells. We use low temperature processes, meaning that you input very little material and very little energy into the production process. And that also leads to that our products have a very low climate impact.
The idea is that we can by changing what we put into the silver ink from the very start, we can design a material that is easier to recycle, thereby eliminating the generation of electronic waste with a more circular and sustainable system.
This is the key measure to bring this technology into the market, and we see this is a very good showcase to deliver our product.